Okay, we're out at the home of Sandy Walker. We're going to be doing some siding work and there's a couple windows on the front of the house. With our siding, our scope of work basically is that we are just addressing sidewall siding, not doing anything on soffit, fascia. It was painted in '08 and everything's in good condition. Fascia, drip edge, soffit is all looking really good. So what we're doing really is just addressing her main concern, and that's the siding. So you can see up top a little bit of siding. This is really all the siding to speak of on the front. We are replacing the window, the gliding window, and the circle top that you see right there. That's actually a bedroom. So we will be replacing that window. And then the siding that you can see around that front area will all be done with the Cedar Mill Select 8 1/4 is the board we're using. Tearing off everything, so taking everything off, going back to the wall with a 7/16 inch OSB, and then Tyvek seam tape flashing, especially where these areas die into the roof line. We want to make sure that that's all taken care of. These two windows, we are going to a picture window in this large window here. This is going to become a picture window, and then we're going to do a circle top above. As you can see, there is a brick surround where the window it goes into the wall. It is stucco exterior facade everywhere else, but we should just be able to mortar that window back into that brick facade. But this window here will become a picture window with the Prairie grill. Not doing anything on the front door, the side lights, or this transom. So we do have a little bit of siding right there that you can see, a little half gable. And then we'll go around to the back and take a look at the majority of the siding. So here on the right side, this is the large area that you can see. Again, this masonite, you can see a lot of areas where it's swollen, where it's absorbed moisture. It doesn't appear that there's any moisture or damage behind the siding, but the siding is definitely, it's been compromised by water infiltration. The trim has been damaged by water. So it really is, it's a beautiful home, but the siding sure wasn't done with any kind of quality in mind. We do have one bathroom window and 3 other windows that will all be wrapped in Hardie plank. We'll do the head flashing and all the flashing of the windows before we go ahead and apply that window trim. Oh, the electrical and everything is down below in the stucco, so no worries there. And we can see the, it might be hard to see in the video. You can definitely see where the joints have come uncaulked, but if you look down the side of the wall, you can see clearly the swelling that's gone on. And here we got some rot on the chimney that you can see. All the chimney trim is in pretty bad shape. You can see it splitting away right there. The trim, got some areas down here. She has her 2 boxers are Iris, or excuse me, her 1 boxer's name is Iris, and she has a little Chihuahua that's name is Tequila. So those are the 2 dogs, really friendly dogs. The boxer's a beautiful dog, but obviously she went to work on a little bit of the siding here. But you can see everywhere else got a couple windows there we need to wrap. Another window up top there, a half circle, and a door. We have a GFI right there. As we come around, a couple more windows, there's a hose bib. But you can see everywhere soffit fascia is all in real good condition. Just a matter of addressing the sidewall and correcting all these issues that have, just happened from just this poor siding being installed. So here's the left-hand wall. Basically on the 0 lot line here, all we have is a stucco, so there is no siding on that side of the home. But you can see the siding. Just some normal ladders. The chimney we might need a little something. That's probably a good 30 feet from ground to top. But everywhere else, probably just some ladders to do the trick. We're using a standard exposure. We're not going to a 4-inch. We'll use a standard 8 1/4 board, leaving a 7-inch exposure. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, everything else is, fascia, soffit, drip edge, everything is in great condition. We just need to address these siding problems. And again, like we said, we'll remove all this siding. We will install a 7/16 inch OSB, house wrap, Tyvek house wrap, moisture barrier, all the seam tape, the flashing, all the windows and doors. We'll have the head flashing on it. And everything will be nice and sealed with a 50-year caulk before we come back with our paint process that we talked about. So that's pretty much what we're looking at. Again, a beautiful home, and it's really going to look amazing after we get this siding installed. So Sandy, really appreciate you working with us and trusting us with the project, and we look forward to doing an excellent job for you. Thanks so much.